Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing case that I got for my daughter's iPhone 11, and this is by Goocrux. So this does come for different types of phones. This one obviously is the iPhone 11. This is an anti-shock case, which I like because my daughter is 9. So if she were to drop her phone, it's going to protect it. I like the fact that it does have a slider also to protect the camera, so it's not going to get scratched or anything. So if she's not using it, she's able to cover it. This comes in so many different designs, so you're able to personalize it towards something that you like. She loves like unicorns and rainbows and all kinds of girly colors. So obviously this is why we chose this. It's beautiful and pink. It also has a wireless charging option. It's built right into the case. So you're able to put it on a wireless, whether it's a phone holder or whether it is one that you have on a dock. You're able to have that option as well. It has all the spaces too that you can see for all the buttons on the sides. It's got the openings for where the charger is and the speakers. You're able to turn your phone on silent if you have to, volume. I really, really love this case. I love the fact that it's going to protect your phone. I love that it protects the camera. I love that you have a wireless option, and I love that you can have any option to personalize it towards you with so many different options. But that's just my point of view.